Welcome everyone. In today's presentation, we'll be looking at the exploring of the Ubuntu environment. Okay, and in this video, I will demonstrate the completion of the Linux server administration task, which we have here. I will prove that the admin user um, has sudo privileges. I also display the content of my welcome file and also show that my server is up to date. Okay. Okay, so from my instance, you can see I have it running. Okay, so firstly, I'll demonstrate that the admin user has the sudo privileges. And as you can see, I'm currently logged in as the admin user. Okay, so I'll run a command that requires administrative rights. So I'll run the sudo apt update. Sorry. So as you can see, the apt update command was successful, and this confirms that the admin user is a member of the sudo group and can execute commands with elevated privileges. Okay, so looking at task number 2, I'll display the contents of the welcome file I created and edited in project 2.4.1. I'll be using the cats welcome. Okay, so I'll be using the cat welcome to display what I have inside it. So you can see I have the quick brown fox jump over the lazy dog. Okay, and then on the second line, the job requires extra plank and zeal from every young witch opener. All right, so that displays the contents of the welcome file. So thirdly, I will have to prove that my server is up to date, and I'll use the sudo apt update and the sudo apt upgrade command. All right, so this is a sudo apt update. So sorry. So that is for the update, and this will be for the upgrade. For the upgrade. All right. So you can see that the upgrade is successfully upgraded. Okay. So now I think that answers the 3 tasks. Okay. So let's go back to our model. Okay. So the first question is, how do the man and info pages help Linux administrators? So the man and info pages are essential for Linux administrators. The man pages provide a quick reference for command syntax and options, while the info pages offer more detailed, in-depth documentation that is excellent for learning how to use a command more thoroughly. All right. So the second question is, what are the 2 modes of the VI editor? So basically, the 2 modes of the VI editor are the command mode and then the insert mode. Okay, command mode for navigation and running commands, while the insert mode is for typing and editing text. All right, so that brings us to the third question. Do you prefer VI or Nano? And why? Okay, so for me, I prefer the Nano. It's much more intuitive for me as a beginner with an on-screen menu that shows me how to save and exit. So I don't have to do memorize commands right away. Okay, so then to the last question. Explain why environment and user variables are important. So for this particular question, I'll say environment and user variables are important because they allow you, as Linux administrators, to customize our user experience without changing the core system files. And this includes everything from your command prompt appearance to um, where the system looks for executable programs. I would say it's a powerful way to also personalize our environment and is crucial for system automation. Okay, thank you very much for your time, viewers. See you.